Hello everyone, I'm Amy from Amy's Acrylic Artistry. Welcome to my channel. Thank you for being here. Let's go through my colors for the day. This is Mont Marte Titanium White. This one is Artminds Sea Glass. Boom Gel Stain Pearlescent Charcoal. This is Pebeo's Iridescent Blue Green. And a very awesome color that I created myself with Amsterdam Greenish Blue and TLP Pigments Glisten. Can you see it there? Anyone who has used either one of these before will be able to see that greenish blue color shift. The TLP pigments can be mixed with paints that are transparent. Otherwise, they'll just disappear. This is Amsterdam's Titanium White with 3 parts Australian floetrol to swipe. And I thought I would throw in a little bit of Artist Loft Ready Mix Metallic Silver, which I don't usually do, but this time I decided I don't really use the Ready Mix paints anymore, so let's just try them out again because I don't use them very often. However, I do run into some issues later on because the silver is much thinner than the rest of my paints, but it all ends up working out in the end. So here I'm just torching to pop any air bubbles. And let's do this swipe in slow-mo. As I'm tilting, this is where I start to run into issues with that Ready Mix Silver. It's way thinner and way more fluid, so it's running much faster than the rest of my paints. But I just keep playing around with it, and you know, just like Bob Ross says, happy accidents. And this piece actually turns out really cool. I'm actually calling it splitting water or water splitting, not really sure. It looks like the canvas is splitting and water is pouring up between it. So, you know, happy accidents. It turns out to be a really great piece. So keep watching and let me know what you think down in the comments. Be sure to subscribe, hit that notification bell. As of this morning, I hit 500 subscribers, so I'm extremely excited. On to the next milestone of 1,000 subscribers. So please help me get there.